Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Awie. Wonder Woman 1984 is now on HBOGO. So to my fellow Filipinos, if you want to watch Wonder Woman 1984, you can subscribe to HBOGO via Sky. Just go to mysky.com.ph/HBOGO and you can subscribe to HBOGO for as low as 99 pesos a month. And in line with that, I want to show you guys my small Wonder Woman collection. Let's go unbox this. First, I have here a Wonder Woman Funko Pop in her golden armor costume. Very nice. Next is my new favorite, Wonder Woman in golden armor costume, Mimiko version. Love the details on this one, and it looks like me. Last but not the least, we have here a Farley toy figure. Detachable wings. Nice figure. I actually thought this is in one piece. She has a stand here, but I don't want to ruin the box, so let's just attach her wings. Wow. Look! Nice. And these are my small Wonder Woman collection. I also have an Iron Studios one, and I did an unboxing video for that. So if you want to check that out, it's also here in my YouTube channel. I also have an ongoing giveaway on my Facebook page. I am giving away this Wonder Woman Funko Pop. So if you want to join and see the mechanics, it's on my Facebook page, or you can check it out in the description below. I hope you guys love this little unboxing. Again, don't forget, Wonder Woman 1984 is now on HBOGO, and you can subscribe to HBOGO via Sky. Just go to mysky.com.ph/HBOGO. I also did a back-to-back makeup transformation as Wonder Woman in her golden armor costume and the cheetah. So if you want to check that out, please check out my previous video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next one.